Someone who is a natural leader, masipag, madiskarte. Hi ATM, this is Bianca and I'm going to take 5. Acts of service. Number 2, someone who knows how to listen. Number 3, someone who is a natural leader. Number 4, masipag. Number 5, madiskarte. Alcohol, napkin, lip tint, blush on, and breath spray. Wow, then again, their words of affirmation. Number 2, flowers. Number 3, the way that they understand me. Number 4, yung kabutihan ng puso nila. Number 5, yung patience nila sa amin. Mika. Number 2, Shuvi. Number 3, Dustin, of course. Number 4, Mike's. Number 5, Emilio. Five words. Grabe, ang dami nung 5. Again, unexpected, beautiful, it was a roller coaster of a ride, that's not a word. Full of laughter, and number 5, very giving. Please follow me on my social media accounts. It's going to be at Bianca De Vera on all social media platforms. Thank you!